See this man here? They're trying to splash us. You get a brick in your hand and you don't get splashed. See what I'm saying? You have it.
We're always doing too much, man. Boy, it's just alcohol. Acting like a kid, it's alcohol. Shit.
You can't open the gate.
Hey, Benson, do you have any ideas for a romantic way to give a gift to a girl?
Well, let me break it down for you, Mordecai.
Let's get playing the game. Fuck Trevor. Don't want to do Trevor. Let's go over here and get Mikey. I feel like playing with Mikey today. I like playing with myself.
Science is fascinating. If you roll a cylinder, you get a straight line. If you roll a cone, you get a semicircle. But if you roll a sphere, you get...
Look, it's you! On that game, look!
That's me?
Yeah! On that game!
Red Hot, 7-game winning.
I'll bet they won't have. Wow, they have it! Motherfucking Newport.
You can't do that here. And now you have to pay.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it, body paint. You don't have to do it. God damn it.
Save an unknown child or play GTA 6 early?
Nigga, fuck that child!
Bring that ass. Come on. No, you scared?
Hurry up.
Oh, no.
Oh, SpongeBob me Bob.
Yeah, Mr. Krabs?
Promise me you'll never eat at Arby's. Oh, I'm fucking dying!
Alright, what do you want?
French fries and McGriddle bite.
Can I have 2 French guys having a tickle fight?
Sure.
I woke up in New York fresh as hell on a Monday. I can't go to hell, I went to church last Sunday. Last Tuesday I met a model on a runway. She said she...
Yeah, bruh. I done hit the jackpot, cuz. Look at all this shit, man.
Man, cut it. Why the hell would you cancel the tour, man? Who's that? I wanted to go so bad, man. I need my refund, man. You were like Lucy.
Son, she tripping out of my house. I got a real tight shit. Hey, you better give me my refund, man. Who's that?
Are you guys enjoying this video? Feel free to hit the like button or subscribe. Enjoy.
You said there's no Indian moggers in Goon City? Watch this! Hey, Buttercup! I got to sniff your skibberty cat. I normally edge 2 jokers latte perfect. He makes my glizzy grimace shake. Livy Doon said me and Drake have the same size snake. Your level 15 cat is my kryptonite. So call me and baby Gronk the Skibberty Dark Knights.
Yo, bro, you okay?
Yo, you put fat in that shit?
Un video más, mi gente, para perder el tiempo, empecemos. ¡Fuck you, maní!
for the grand final of the Intel Challenge Katowice 2017. We've had a great tournament here.
You guys are overfeeding your cats. Because this is how much a cat is supposed to eat.
Not around here, partner.
And I'm pretty I woke up and I got fresh as hell on a Monday. I can't go to hell, I went to church last Sunday. Last Tuesday I met a model on a runway. She said she wanna run away with me and hit the highway. I can show you how to make some.
Wey. Un video más, mi gente, para perder el tiempo. Baby, panda, panda. Bunchila, 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 bichila, banda. Banda, banda. Baby, panda.
Un video más, mi gente, para perder el tiempo. Empecemos.
Salam alaikum.
¡Alaikum salam! Coño, ¿por qué esta vaina? Nada más hago yo. Usted no lo van a creer.
Yo puedo estar lo más tranquilo, no cae una llamada, no cae nada. Desde que voy a hacer un video, plin, plan.
Plin, plan. Y las notificaciones, no joda. Ok, mi gente.
Un video más para perder el tiempo. En el día de hoy les quiero anunciar que estamos dándole las gracias a Dios por los 2,5 millones de seguidores. Y en el día de hoy estamos de fiesta de cumpleaños. Así que ya ustedes lo saben. Feliz aniversario para todos.